If you've been thinking about signing up for BYDFi, let me save you some money before you even make your first trade. There's a referral code you can use right when you register, and it actually gives you real bonuses, not some fake promise. The code is G3VHUO. Write it down, screenshot this, do whatever you need to remember it. I'll explain exactly what to do with it in a second. So first, what even is BYDFi? It's a crypto derivatives exchange where you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a bunch of other coins with leverage. It's been around for a while, it supports users from most countries, and the interface is pretty clean, whether you're on desktop or mobile. Now, here's the thing about the referral code. When you go to register, you'll see a field that says referral code or invitation code during the sign-up process. That's exactly where you type in G3VHUO. Don't skip that step. Once you skip it and your account is created, you usually can't add it after the fact. What do you actually get? New users who sign up with a referral code get access to welcome bonuses. That can include deposit bonuses, fee discounts, or trading rewards depending on the current promotion BYDFi is running. The platform regularly updates these offers, so what you unlock really depends on when you sign up, but there's always something on the table. Fee discounts are honestly the most underrated part. If you're actively trading, even a small percentage off your fees adds up fast over dozens of trades. So here's what you do. Go to bydfi.com, hit register, fill in your details, and when you see the referral code field, enter G3VHUO. That's it. You're in, with bonuses already attached to your account from day one. Don't leave free money on the table. Use the code, grab the bonus, and start trading smarter.
Let's continue if you want to discover two unique crypto exchanges, WEEX and Bitunix. Both WEEX and Bitunix offer competitive trading fees, a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, and access without mandatory KYC for many core features. New users can also unlock bonuses of up to 10,000 USDT by signing up through my links below and completing the available promotions. Click my links below to join WEEX or Bitunix and claim your exclusive new user rewards.